Hello friends, welcome you all in my YouTube channel. Dr. DM Sirsat here from Department of Chemistry, Anandibai Raurani Arts, Commerce and Science College, Vaibhavadi. Friends, it is fourth lecture of photochemistry. In this lecture, we are deal with the photochemical reactions of carbonyl compound. In last three lectures of photochemistry, we have studied the basic introductory part of photochemistry, electronic state, selection rule of photochemistry, Jablonski diagram, and photochemical reactions of olefins molecules. There is a two types of reactions. Number first is a photoisomerization reaction and number second is a dipymethane rearrangement reaction. Friends, in this lecture we are going to discuss the photochemical reactions of carbonyl compound. There is a three types of reactions. Number one is a Norris type first reaction, number second is a Norris type second reaction, and number third is a photoreduction of carbonyl compound. Let's see one by one. When carbonyl compound means carbonyl compound by absorption of light radiation, it undergoes variety of photochemical reaction. When carbonyl compound means basically C double bond O, there is a one pi bond between carbon and oxygen, as well as this oxygen it carry unshared electron. By absorption of light radiation, there is a excitation of electron from ground state to excited state. In case of this carbonyl compound, there is a two types of transition, N to pi star transition and pi to pi star transition, and in triplet state or in singlet state it gives variety of reactions, okay, and it absorb in the region of 230 to 330 nanometer, okay. See the one by one. Number first reaction is a Norris type first reaction. The carbonyl, what is Norris type first reaction? Carbonyl compound containing alpha hydrogen atom undergoes an alpha cleavage by absorption of light radiation, leading to formation of radicals, two radicals, which on combination, recombination gives neutral molecule, means higher alkane molecule, is called as Norris type first reaction. Means in case of this Norris type first reaction, there is a alpha cleavage takes place, and after alpha cleavage there is a formation of two radicals, and these two radicals recombine to each other and it gives finally neutral molecule, is called as this Norris type first reaction. The product formation in this reaction, see, the product formation in this reaction depends on temperature. Means this reaction is carried out at a two different temperature condition. Number first, at a high temperature, means 100 degrees Celsius or above 100 degrees Celsius, and number second at a low temperature, means at a room temperature. See, number first condition, at a high temperature means 100 degrees Celsius, the decarbonylation takes place. Means at a higher temperature there is only one product there is a formation of only one product. That means there is a decarbonylation of carbonyl compound as it takes place. See, the general reaction, the general carbonyl compound RC double bond O R dash, by absorption of light radiation there is a alpha cleavage, means bond between this carbonyl carbon and R dash group. The homolytic cleavage of this bond, it gives C radical as well as R dash radical. Similarly, the alpha cleavage at opposite side means homolytic cleavage of this bond between carbonyl carbon and R group. Again it gives C radical and R radical. Means there is a decarbonylation, elimination of carbon monoxide and formation of two radicals, is R radical and number second R dash radical, and the recombination of these two radicals, it gives finally R bond. R means R and R dash means higher alkane molecule. See the number first example, acetone molecule, CS3 C double bond O CS3, by absorption of light radiation, same there is a alpha cleavage, means homolysis of this bond, homolytic cleavage of this bond between carbonyl carbon and CS3, carbonyl carbon and CS3, it gives 2 methyl radical plus carbon monoxide, and the recombination of this 2 methyl radical, it gives higher alkane ethane molecule. These are the Norris type first reaction, okay, at a higher temperature. See the number second temperature condition, at a low temperature. At a low temperature means at a room temperature. At a room temperature, at a low temperature, it gives many products, okay. See the photolysis of acetone molecule at a room temperature gives biacetyl is the number first product, acetaldehyde is the number second product, methane is number third product, and possible hexane 2,5 dione molecule. Means At a low temperature, it gives so many products. See the reaction, same acetone molecule CH3C double bond O CH3 by absorption of light radiation, excitation of this acetone molecule from ground state to excited state. Okay, see the star is the excited state. In excited state, there is a homolytic cleavage of this alpha bond, means bond between this carbonyl carbon and methyl group, means one electron shifted towards the carbonyl carbon and second electron shifted towards the methyl group. It gives CH3C double bond O carbon with one unshared electron, means free radical, and is methyl group with one radical, means methyl radical, and this carbonyl carbon with one radical. Say the number second step, CH3C double bond O C radical plus second molecule of this acetone, same, there is absorption of hydrogen from this acetone molecule. See, from this methyl group there is a abstraction of one H radical, it gives finally acetaldehyde, and by loss of this H radical, this CH2 group, it gains one free radical, means CH2 radical. See number third step, this methyl radical of this first step reacts with third molecule of this acetone molecule, same abstraction of this abstraction of this H radical from this methyl group, it gives finally number second product methane, and loss of H radical, it gives CH2 radical, and last number third product is a CH3C double bond O, means third possibility, this CH3C double bond O C radical, means there is a acetyl radical, recombination of this acetyl radical, it gives finally diacetyl molecule. Number fourth possibility, the recombination of this CH2 radical C double bond O CH3, means these two molecules recombine to each other, it gives finally hexane 2,5 dione molecule. Means in Nari's type first, at a low temperature, means photolysis of acetone molecule, it gives 5 products, but at a high temperature it gives only one product, and this one product is only higher alkane molecule by decarbonylation. But in case of this low temperature, it gives a variety of product. These are the Nari's type first reaction. See the examples of this Nari's type first reaction is a Nari's type first. At a high temperature, there is a decarbonylation. The 5-membered ring is converted into 4-membered ring by loss of CO molecule. See the number second example. Again this cyclopentanone molecule, loss of this carbon monoxide, it gives 1,3-butadiene molecule. Same, there is a decarbonylation, it gives 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, means there is also diene molecule. And is a number last example. Also there is a decarbonylation, it gives finally alkane molecule. These are the examples of Nari's type first reaction. Okay. Next one is a Nari's type second reaction. See the carbonyl compounds containing gamma hydrogen atom undergoes an intramolecular gamma hydrogen transfer under photolytic condition to give a biradical, and the biradical undergoes cleavage to give a alkene and enol, which on tautomerization gives aldehyde and ketone molecule. The simple reaction in case of Nari's type second, there is a basic two steps. Number first step is abstraction of gamma hydrogen, and number second step is a cleavage of bond between alpha carbon and beta carbon. It gives finally alkene and enol, which on tautomerization gives aldehyde or ketone molecule. It is photochemical elimination by which a higher ketone is converted into its lower ketone. Okay, see there is a basic two steps. Number first step is abstraction of gamma hydrogen, and number second step is a cleavage of bond between alpha carbon and beta carbon. See the number first example, carbonyl group, the carbonyl group C double bond O, these are the alpha position, beta position, and these are the gamma position. Number first step, by absorption of light radiation, number first step is the abstraction of gamma hydrogen. Okay, then number second step is a bond between this alpha carbon and beta carbon, homolytic cleavage of this bond, it gives finally this carbonyl compound, means enol on tautomerization, it gives carbonyl compound, means there is a acetone formation, and number second is a alkene molecule formation. See the mechanism of this reaction, R C double bond O CH2 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 and R2 molecule. By absorption of light radiation, number first step is the abstraction of H radical from gamma position. See the position is carbonyl carbon, adjacent position is alpha position, then beta position and gamma position. Number first step is abstraction of H radical from gamma position. There is a homolytic cleavage of this bond between carbon and hydrogen, means one electron shifted towards the hydrogen and second electron shifted towards the carbon, means there is a H radical formation, and this H radical abstract by this O radical, it gives finally OH, and there is a formation of two radical, means carbon radical and this one second carbon radical from of the carbonyl carbon. Number second step is a homolytic cleavage of this bond between alpha carbon and beta carbon. There is a homolytic cleavage. After homolytic cleavage, it gives one enol molecule, and number second is a alkene molecule. The enol on tautomerization, it gives either aldehyde or ketone, means carbonyl compound. These are the simple Narish type second reaction. Okay. See the examples of Narish type second reaction. These are the number first example, RC double bond O CS2 CS2 CH, and there is a more 2 substituent at a gamma position. Friends, in Narish type second reaction, there is a basic 2 steps. Number first step is abstraction of H radical from gamma position, and number second step is a cleavage of beta bond, means cleavage of bond between alpha carbon and beta carbon. Okay, see one by one. By abstraction of absorption of light radiation, number first step is abstraction of H radical from gamma position. O radical is converted into OH, and there is a formation of another two radicals, C radical at carbonyl carbon and C radical at gamma position. Then is a cleavage of bond between alpha carbon and beta carbon. It gives finally this enol molecule and alkene. Enol, which on tautomerization, it gives carbonyl compound, either aldehyde or ketone molecule. And the second possibility, the combination of these two radicals, means radical at carbonyl carbon position and radical at this fourth position, means gamma carbon position. Combination of these two radical, it gives this cyclic product, 4-membered cyclic product is a number second possibility. These are the best example of Narish type second reaction. See the number second example. This second example, it gives both type of reaction, Narish type first reaction as well as Narish type second reaction. Okay. By absorption of light radiation, this molecule excite from S0 to S1, then through intersystem crossing S1 to T1. T1 means triplet excited state, and in triplet excited state there is a photochemical reaction. There is a photochemical reaction is a Narish type first reaction as well as Narish type second reaction. See one by one. Narish type first reaction. What is Narish type first reaction? Is a simple decarbonylation. Decarbonylation means there is a alpha cleavage. Okay. By absorption of light radiation, excitation from S0 to S1, then S1 to T1. In T1 state, there is a alpha cleavage of this bond takes place. It gives two radical, means C radical and another C radical. Okay. The combination of these two same radical, it gives number first product. Combination of these two same radical, it gives number second product. Okay. Then Narish type second reaction. What is Narish type second reaction? There is a basic 2 steps. Number first step is abstraction of gamma hydrogen, and number second step is a beta cleavage, means the cleavage of bond between alpha carbon and beta carbon. See the number first step, abstraction of gamma carbon. See the position, carbonyl carbon, then adjacent carbon is alpha carbon, oxygen at beta position, and then next carbon means tertiary carbon is a gamma carbon. There is a one hydrogen, abstraction of this H radical, this O is converted into OH, and the formation of these two radical, C radical and C radical. Number second step is a cleavage of beta bond. After cleavage of beta bond, it gives the enol molecule, and enol on tautomerization, it gives finally carbonyl compound. And thus next possibility, the combination of these two radicals, same, it gives this 4-membered ring. These are the simple Narish type second reaction, and these are the Narish type first reaction. Next one is a photoreduction. It's a simple conversion of benzophenone to benzophenacol molecule. Benzophenone undergoes photochemical reduction in the presence of isopropyl alcohol to form benzphenacol, this reaction is called as photoreduction. In this reaction, isopropyl alcohol, it acts as proton source, it acts as proton donor, and this reaction takes place in triplet state. See, the 2 moles of benzophenone and in presence of light radiation and isopropyl alcohol proton donor, it gives finally benzphenacol molecule. These are the simple photoreduction of this carbonyl compound. See the mechanism of this reaction: benzophenone molecule, by absorption of light radiation, excitation of this benzophenone from ground state S0 to singlet excited state S1. Then from singlet excited state through intersystem crossing, it converts to triplet excited state, means the shifting of this molecule from singlet excited state to triplet excited state. And in this triplet excited state, there is a photochemical reaction. Okay. In this triplet excited state, there is a homolytic cleavage of this pi bond, means one electron shifted towards the carbonyl carbon and second electron shifted towards the oxygen. It gives C radical and O radical, and this O radical of this benzophenone abstract H radical from isopropyl alcohol and converts O radical to OH, and loss of this H radical, this O is converted into O radical, means there is a formation of first ketyl radical. See, then next step, third step, the second molecule of this benzophenone, same in triplet excited state, absorb this H radical from this carbon of isopropyl alcohol and it gives second ketyl radical, and this isopropyl alcohol, it gives C radical and O radical. See the C radical and O radical, combination of this C radical and O radical, it gives finally C double bond O, means isopropyl alcohol is converted into acetone molecule by loss of 2 H radical, and there is a formation of 2 ketyl radicals, and the recombination of these 2 ketyl radicals, it gives finally benzphenacol. These are the formation of benzphenacol from benzophenone molecule. This reaction is also called as photoreduction. There is a reduction of carbonyl functional group in presence of light radiation, so this reaction is called as photoreduction reaction. Thank you very much.